It's another lovely day at Barnyard Daycare. Let's help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed our barnyard buddies.
Hey there! We're on our way to feed the baby animals. Want to join us? Come on! Baby Pony needs her breezy brown brownies so she can make her bubbles fly high in the sky.
Oh no, Baby Pony wants the bubbles to float higher, but they keep popping.
Then it's a good thing we brought you some breezy brown brownies.
They'll help your bubbles soar higher than 10 stacked tractors. Oh, Scamper and Scarecrows! The breezy brownies are missing their brown color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony need your help to find the breezy brownie's missing brown color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color brown? No, that's yellow. Why don't we try a different color? What about this one? Is this the color brown? No, that's not brown. That's green. Let's pick again. Did we find brown? Dancing dandelions! You did it! You found the breezy brownie's missing brown color.
Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, blow! Yay!
Mia and I need your help. It's time for us to feed Baby Pig. He needs to eat his bouncy blue blueberry pop so he can land an awesome basketball trick shot. Hey there, Baby Pig. Were you trying to bounce your basketball through that hoop? Well, then we have just the thing for you.
A bouncy blue blueberry pop! This will help you hit that trick shot in no time!
Hoppin' hay bales! The bouncy blueberry pop is missing its blue color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing blue color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color blue? No, that's orange. We should try a different color. Is this the right color? Not quite. That's red. We're looking for blue. Let's try one more time. Bounce-tacular! That's right. You found the bouncy blueberry pop's missing blue color.
Now that you've had your bouncy blue blueberry pop, you're ready to give your trick shot another try. It's time to bring Baby Goat something tasty.
Baby Goat needs her snowy, sweet green apple treat so she can have the best snow day ever.
Oh, Baby Goat. It's a little too warm to go snowboarding, huh?
Well, then it's a good thing we brought you a snowy, sweet green apple treat. It's so frosty cold, it'll make you feel like it's a snowy winter's day.
Golly gee chillikers! The snowy sweet apple treat is missing its green color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the snowy sweet apple treat's missing green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's pink. We need to try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked purple. Let's try one more time. Farmtastic! That's it! You found the Snowy Sweet apple treat's missing green color.
Nice and icy. Feeling chilly, baby goat?
Thanks for all your help feeding our baby animal friends. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
Well, howdy there, friend. We're on our way to feed baby goat. She needs some Rockstar red raspberries to help her reach those high notes. What's that sound?
It's baby goat. She sang so much she tired out her voice.
Well, then it's a good thing we brought some Rockstar red raspberries.
Yeah! These raspberries will have you hitting those high notes in no time, baby goat.
Holler and hoedowns! The Rockstar raspberries have lost their red color.
Mia, Milo, and baby goat need your help to find the Rockstar raspberries' missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's orange. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color red? Looks like we picked blue, not red. Let's try one more time. Waving windmills. That's it. You found the Rockstar raspberries' missing red color.
Now that you've had some of those Rockstar red raspberries, you should be ready to rock the barn, baby goat.
It's time for us to feed baby pony. Let's go!
She needs to eat some orange climbing carrot cake so she can climb to the top of anything she wants. Yay!
Aw, you want to climb to the top of your post, don't you, baby pony?
Don't worry, cutie pie. We'll help you get to the top of that post.
Yeah, all you need is some orange climbing carrot cake, and you'll be climbing like a pro in no time. Oh, grinning grasshoppers! The climbing carrot cake has lost its orange color!
Looks like we need to help our barnyard buddies. Let's try to find the missing orange color. Is this the color orange? No, that's not orange. That's green. How about this color? Did we find orange? No, that's blue. But what about this color? Is this orange? Good golly, that's the one. You found the climbing carrot cake's missing orange color.
Now that you've had some orange climbing carrot cake, why don't you try climbing one more time? Yay!
You're just in time to help us feed baby pig.
He needs to eat some blue bowling blueberries to help him bowl over some blocks. Great job, baby pig! You knocked down a block!
Oh, you were trying to knock all of the blocks down, weren't you?
It's okay, baby pig. Once you have some blue bowling blueberries, you're sure to knock down every single block. Whopping watering cans! The bowling blueberries have lost their blue color.
We've got to find the bowling blueberries missing blue color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color blue? No, that's red. How about we try a different color? What about this one? Is this the color blue? No, that's brown. Let's try a new color. What about this one? Yippee! You did it! You found the bowling blueberries missing blue color.
Now that he's had some blue bowling blueberries, Baby Pig can knock down every block at once.
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Come on back to the barnyard real soon. What a beautiful day at Barnyard Daycare. Let's help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed our baby animal friends.
Hi there! Milo and I are on our way to feed baby goats. We're bringing her some growing green grapes to help her grow super tall.
Don't be sad, little baby goat. You'll grow up to be a big, strong goat one day.
Especially after you have some of your growing green grapes. They are just what you need to grow.
Go, leaping lassos. The growing grapes are missing their green color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby goat find the missing green color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's blue. We need to pick again. Are the grapes green now? No, that's yellow, not green. But what about this color? Great goose feathers! You got it! You found the growing grapes missing green color.
Now that you've had some growing green grapes, you'll grow up big and tall.
Maybe someday you'll be taller than that fence post. We're gonna feed baby pony. Come with us. She needs some jam and yellow yucca fries so she can play beautiful songs on the banjo.
Oh, you want to try playing my banjo, baby pony? Well, sure. Don't be sad, baby pony. You just need to practice.
And you need some jam and yellow yucca fries, too! Rooster feathers! The jam and yucca fries are missing their yellow color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby pony find the missing yellow color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color yellow? Not quite. That's pink. We need to pick again. Is the yucca yellow now? No, that's purple. But what about this color? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the jam and yucca fries missing yellow color.
Yippee! Ready to give it another try, baby pony?
He needs some red Sailing Salsa so he can go on a pirate adventure.
Hey there, baby pig! Looks like you're almost ready to sail the high seas. Arrgh.
Now you just need some red Sailing Salsa to send you on your way. Oh, well, avast me hearties. The Sailing Salsa has lost its red color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the missing red color. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's pick again. Is the salsa red now? No, that's green. What about this color? Shiver me timbers! You did it! You found the Sailing Salsa's missing red color.
Now that you've had your red Sailing Salsa, are you ready to hit the high seas, Baby Pig?
Thanks for all your help feeding the baby animals today. Great job! Y'all come back to the barnyard real soon. It's another great day at Barnyard Daycare. Let's go help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed our baby animal friends.
Howdy, partner. Want to come help us feed Baby Pig? Baby Pig needs his purple power cauliflower, so he has the power to skate anywhere. Oh no! Baby Pig, are you stuck in the mud?
Don't worry, baby pig. You just need some purple power cauliflower to help you get unstuck.
Oh, chicken feathers. The power cauliflower is missing its purple color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the purple power cauliflower's missing color. Let's try this color. Is this the color purple? No, that's blue. Let's try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color purple? No, that's not purple. That's orange. Let's pick again. Yeehaw! That's it. You found the power cauliflower's missing purple color.
Pull, baby pig! Use your purple cauliflower power! It's time to feed baby pony. Come with us. She needs to eat her red hide-and-seek strawberries so she can find her favorite flower.
Well, sweet baby pony, you're still looking for your missing flower, huh?
Well, we have just the thing to help you find it.
Some red hide-and-seek strawberries!
Twisted tractors! The hide-and-seek strawberries are missing their red color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing red color? Very awesome! Let's try this color. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's try a different color. Did we turn the strawberries red? Not quite right. That's purple. Let's try one more time. Fruit-tacular! You did it! You found the hide-and-seek strawberries missing red color.
Now that you've had some red hide-and-seek strawberries, do you think you can find your favorite flower? time to feed our friend Baby Goat. Let's go. She needs her green super spinning salsa to help her land her awesome spinning ballet move.
That was a great try, Baby Goat. You'll land that amazing spin soon. I know it.
And guess what we brought to help? Your green super spinning salsa. It'll help you do the best spin you ever spun.
Muffin hay bales! The super spinning salsa is missing its green color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the super spinning salsa's green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's red. We need to try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked blue. Let's try to find green one more time. Twirlerific! That's it! You found the super spinning salsa's missing green color.
Now that you've had some green super spinning salsa, you can spin and spin without knocking down your castle!
Thanks for all your help feeding the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon. It's a sunshiny day down at Barnyard Daycare. Saddle up and help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed the baby animals.
Hey there! We're on our way to feed Baby Pig. He needs to chow down on a pink popping pomegranate so he can pop some bubbles.
Don't feel bad, Baby Pig. You'll pop a bubble soon. I just know it.
You just need some pink popping pomegranate. It'll give you the energy you need to pop every bubble you see. Steamin' silos, the poppin' pomegranate has lost its pink color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the popping pomegranate's missing pink color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color pink? No, that's blue. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color pink? No, looks like we picked green. Let's try one more time. Shimmering sunflowers. That's it. You found the popping pomegranate's missing pink color.
Now that you've had some pink popping pomegranate, you can pop any bubble you see.
It's time to feed our friend Baby Pony.
She needs to eat some yellow kicking corn cobs to help her kick. Shh! She's concentrating on her kick.
It's okay, Baby Pony. That was a really good try.
But maybe a bite of yellow kicking corn cobs would help you hit that ball! Scampering scarecrows! The kicking corn cobs have lost their yellow color!
We've got to find the kicking corn cob's missing yellow color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color yellow? No, that's red. How about we try a new color? What about this one? Is this the color yellow? No, that's blue. Let's try a new color. What about this one? Yippee! You did it! You found the kicking corn cob's missing yellow color.
Now that she's had a yellow kicking corn cob, Baby Pony can finally hit that ball.
Time to feed Baby Goat. Come with us. She needs to eat some purple power plums so she'll have the strength to build a fort from her heavy hay bales.
Wait a second. Where's Baby Goat? Aw, these hay bales are a little too heavy to build a fort from, huh?
It sounds like you need some purple power plums to help you push those hay bales into place. Oh, buzzing bumblebees! The power plums have lost their purple color.
Looks like we need to help our barnyard buddies. Let's try to find the missing purple color. Is this the color purple? No, that's not purple. That's orange. How about this color? Did we find purple? No, that's brown. But what about this color? Is this purple? Woohoo! That's the one! You found the power plum's missing purple color.
Now that you've had some purple power plums, you're ready to finish your fort!
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Y'all come back to the barnyard real soon, you hear? Welcome to Barnyard Daycare. Let's help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed our baby animal friends.
Well, hey there! Mia and I are on our way to feed Baby Goat. We're bringing her some pink perfect pitch papaya so she can write her very own song. Don't cry, Baby Goat. You'll write a great song soon.
You just need some pink perfect pitch papaya to help you craft that tune.
Whistling wheat straw. The perfect pitch papaya is missing its pink color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat find the missing pink color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color pink? No, that's blue. We need to pick again. Is the papaya pink now? No, that's yellow. Let's try another color. What about this one? Bouncing bunnies! You got it! You found the perfect pitch papaya's missing pink color.
Now that you've had some pink perfect pitch papaya, you're ready to write the best song ever! Hey there, friend! Let's go feed Baby Pony! She needs some orange Moonwalk mango so she can pretend that she's visiting the moon!
Looks like someone's almost ready for their mission to the moon.
Yay! All you need now is some orange Moonwalk mango! Aw, moon craters! The Moonwalk mango's orange color is missing!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color orange? Not quite. That's purple. We need to pick again. Are the mangoes orange now? No, that's green. What about this color? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the Moonwalk mango's missing orange color.
Now Baby Pony can walk on the moon like a real astronaut. Hey! We're on our way to feed Baby Pig. Come with us.
Baby Pig needs some sneaky purple sweet potatoes so he can be the best hide-and-seeker ever.
Hi, Baby Pig.
Oh, were you trying to hide?
Don't worry, Baby Pig. You'll get better at hide and seek once you have some sneaky purple sweet potatoes.
Hide and eek! The sneaky sweet potatoes have lost their purple color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the missing purple color. Is this the color purple? No, that's pink. Let's pick again. Are the sweet potatoes purple now? No, that's yellow. What about this color? Chirpin' Chicks, you did it! You found the sneaky sweet potatoes missing purple color.
Now that you've had your sneaky purple sweet potatoes, you're all set to do some hide-and-seeking.
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Y'all come back to the barnyard again real soon.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new Barnyard Daycare videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.